Dear baby girl, achieving financial success requires detailed planning. A well-defined course of action will help the smart single woman avoid some of the obstacles that have prevented others from achieving their financial goals. The planning process may go something like this. First, decide what you really want to do with your money. Do you want to buy new furniture? Do you want a new car? Do you want a new house? Do you want to save money for retirement? Do you want to save money to start a new business? Listen to your heart and make a decision. Making a decision is critical because you need to make a decision before you can develop a financial roadmap to reach your goal. One thing for sure, you cannot carelessly toss your money around and buy expensive shoes, bags, clothes, or electronic gadgets without affecting your financial goals. Secondly, reaching your goals will require a way to track your progress. This means you should put your goals in writing. If you need to sit down and discuss your financial goals with a professional financial advisor, do it. Discuss your dreams, goals, and visions. After getting feedback from your advisor, make a firm decision about what you want to achieve and write it down. A written plan will help you stay focused on achieving your financial goals when unexpected things occur that could derail you. If you stick with the plan, you may reach your financial goals quicker than you imagined. Thirdly, don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Achieving financial success, just like any other significant accomplishment, is a progressive activity that requires patience. Your patience, linked with daily acts of diligence, will help manifest your vision of success and prosperity. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.